Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics and Chemistry. So in the previous classes we discussed about the ray diagrams, that all the ray diagrams we discussed in the class. So today we are going to discuss about the identify the focus or focal point of concave mirror. How can we define? So for that, first of all, we can take the one concave mirror that is perpendicular to the we can take the one concave mirror that is perpendicular to the sunlight. Next we have to take the one small paper and slowly move it in front of the concave mirror up to where we find out the point where we get the smallest and brightest image of the sun. So we have to move it. We can arrange that paper. Where do we find the smallest and brightest image of the sun? So that is the thing. Next, the rays are coming from the sun, and it is parallel to the sun, and it is parallel to the concave mirror, and it a converging point. So how can we find when the sun rays are travel parallel to the concave mirror and it reaches the concave surface and it reflects back? So these all the rays are reflects back. So here we observe the one brightest spot on the paper, one brightest spot on the paper. So that spot is the focal point or a focus point. So according to the definition we can say all the converging rays or all the reflected rays are meet at a point on the principal axis is called as the focus point or focal point. So one more time I repeat the definition. All the reflected rays converging at a point on the principal axis is called as the focus point, and it is represented with a capital F. So along with the reflected rays, we can draw the normals. So how can we draw the normal line? The normal line drawn to the perpendicular to the surface. So that these all the dotted lines are represents the normals. So here all the normals also meet at a point on the principal axis. So that point is called as and the center of curvature. The center of curvature is represented with a capital C. Capital C. So here we can learn the one more two definitions also. The definitions are the distance between the focus point and the pole is called as and the focal length, that is represented with a small f, and the distance from the center of curvature to the pole, the distance between the center of curvature to the pole is called as the radius of curvature, that is represented with a capital R. So again, if we observe these, the focus point and center of curvature, so the radius of the curvature is equal to the twice of the focal length, because of the distance from the pole to focus point and focus point to center of curvature is same. Okay, so these all are the definitions we learn from this diagram, and we find the focal point or focus point also of the concave mirror. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.